Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the MagSafe Duo charger. Apple just released this last week, and mine was a little bit delayed in shipping, but I finally got it. As you can see here, it is the MagSafe Duo, like I said. Very slim packaging, probably almost as thick as the iPhone 12 boxes. It's got a little pull tab on the side here. Regular plastic sound as usual. Go ahead and pull the top off. It kind of falls out. Be careful, the MagSafe is not very deep in the box, so as you can see here, it kind of fell out. We have the charger itself, which is very, very nice. It's like a silicone kind of material. It's very soft touch, not a hard plastic like I thought it was going to be. So here's the front or top of it, I guess. Very satisfying snap when you close it. And you can actually fold it back the other way, so if you want to use it as just a phone charger or just a watch charger, you can do that and fold it sideways and it'll take up like half the space. We have USB-C to Lightning. I wish it was USB-C to USB-C, but it is not. One thing I don't get is why they include the cable but not the brick, because most likely you're going to need the whole thing. Got some manuals right here, nothing important, no Apple stickers or anything like that. That's all you get in the box. You do need a 20 watt or above adapter. 20 watts will give you 11 watts charging with the phone. I think 27 will give you 14 watts, 27 and up. So I have a 20 watt adapter here. Good thing I accidentally picked one of those up when I bought my HomePod. Take the plastic off here on the MagSafe side, and then on the Apple Watch side it does flip up. So take that off, it's wrapped around the back. As you can see here, very, very nice. You can stand your watch up for nightstand mode, or you can charge it laying flat, kind of like with the Apple Watch dock. And that is the MagSafe charger. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.